In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Draw.io diagram with layers in Confluence and publish it. We'll walk through opening your Confluence page, launching a new Draw.io board, adding layers, placing shapes on each layer, and then publishing your work so your team can see it. Layers are a great way to keep diagrams organized. Think of them like transparent sheets you can stack, show, or hide to manage complexity without clutter. Start by navigating to Confluence and opening the page or file where you want your diagram to live. Click into editor mode so you can make changes. If you're just viewing the page, look for the edit option at the top. Switching to the editor is essential because you can only add new content, like diagrams, when you're editing. With the editor open, bring up a new Draw.io board. The quickest way is to use the / command. Type / and then the word draw. In the list that appears, choose the Draw.io diagram option. Depending on your Confluence setup, you might see it labeled as Draw.io or Diagrams.net. Select it and confirm creating a new diagram. Confluence will open the Draw.io interface in a modal or a full screen view. Once your new board opens, set up layers first so your structure is ready. In Draw.io, look for the Layers panel. If you don't see it immediately, it's usually available from the menu. Add 2 new layers. Give them clear names that reflect their purpose, something like Overview and Details, so you can quickly identify what belongs where later on. Now, add shapes to each of these layers. Before you drop any shape, make sure the correct layer is selected. Drag shapes from the left-hand palette onto the canvas and place them in the appropriate layer. Use connectors to show relationships and adjust styles like color, line weight, and text to keep things readable. If you need to move an element to a different layer, most versions let you right-click the shape and assign it to the layer you want. Remember, the visibility toggle in the Layers panel is handy for focusing. Hide one layer while you work on the other to avoid accidental edits. When you're satisfied, save your work in Draw.io and close the board to return to the Confluence editor. Finally, publish the Confluence page so your changes go live. Your layered diagram is now embedded and ready for your team to view, comment on, or expand in future edits.